How to use a ferroli mechanical timer. First thing we need to do is push all these times in. Each little digit is worth 15 minutes. So what we need to do, we need to set the actual times to come on and off. We're going to go from 6 o'clock in the morning till 8 o'clock in the morning. So 6 till 8. Then we're going to go from say 5 o'clock in the afternoon till 10 o'clock at night. And it's a 24-hour clock as well. Then what we need to do, we need to set the actual time. And on my watch it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And you do it by rotating it clockwise until it gets to the time that you desire. And bear in mind, it is a 24-hour clock. So this would be 1400. That's it all set. So pull them out for on times, push them in for the off times. Then we've got this one on the side here. On the bottom, 0. That means it's off completely. Even if you've got a thermostat on the wall and you turn it on to constant, it's not going to work if this is on 0. If you click it at once, this is actually on timed. So whatever time you've got set, and by pulling these little digits outwards, it will come on and off of them times, as long as if you've got a room stat, that the room stat's actually turned on. One doesn't override the other, you need them both on. If you turn it on to 1, 1 is on, and this is constant all day. Then what will happen, if I go over to the actual display, if you have a look very carefully, you can actually see a little heat rising off a radiator. And that means that you know that the actual boiler is calling for heat. And that's how you set the times for a ferroli mechanical time clock. For more hints and tips, go to www.plumheat.info.